If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, so usually when it comes to trying to make money online, what do most people say? Most of them say, I want to make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, right? That's my goal, straight up. That's what you hear most of the time when it comes to, making money online. But there is a man out there right now that is making around $100,000 a month from one opportunity, and I'm about to share with you exactly what it is. All right, we getting straight to it. They say, don't waste time on YouTube, get straight to the point. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, there's a company out there called Live Good. Maybe you heard of it, maybe you haven't. Now, Live Good is the company that is making one dude almost $100,000 a month. But here's the crazy part of this, right? The guy that I'm talking about, his name is Tim, right? He's the highest earner in Live Good as we speak. This dude was homeless when Live Good actually launched a little over 8 months ago as I'm recording this video. All right. So the fact that he went from homeless, living in a homeless damn shelter, to around 100,000, I think it might be like 90 something thousand dollars that he's getting from Live Good. It's incredible, right? And it's real for everybody that's gonna comment and be like, oh, that's fake. That's not real, little scam. Not real. Look, the shit's real, trust me. All right, so how did he do it, right? How was this possible? You know what I mean? That's what you want to know, and I'm gonna tell you how. First of all, you're gonna wonder how it's possible, because if you know anything about Live Good, you'll realize that this is a program that you can get started with for $50, right? $10 a month and a one-time fee of $40 to become an affiliate. Then it's only $9.95 a month to stay a Live Good member. That's it, right? So basically you got an online business for $10 a month. So you're obviously gonna ask yourself, how the hell can somebody make $100,000 a month from a $10 a month opportunity, right? Like, it makes sense. That's what you're probably thinking, right? Well, I'm explaining to you exactly how. So yes, Live Good has that affiliate, side of things where you earn a $25 commission for every direct person that you bring in to Live Good, right? Boom, everybody get that. But what a lot of people sleep on when it comes to Live Good is, for every direct referral that you get into Live Good, you earn a 50% matching bonus to whatever they earn. All right. So think about this. If you brung in just, go-getters, right? People that's just like, hell yeah, I'm on my grind. I need that side hustle. I'm ready to do whatever. Just say you got 10 people into Live Good that you personally brung in, right? And each of those people, all right, made $2,000, right? Just say that. Each person made $2,000. You're going to get a 50% matching bonus for each of those people. So that means 10 people, they're making 20 grand. You're going to get a 50% matching bonus. You're getting $10,000 a month, right? You're getting $10,000 a month just for them 10 people. All right. So now when I tell you about Tim, maybe you can understand this now. Tim has brung well over 200-300 people personally into Live Good, right? Now, the thing with Tim is, keep it real, he got a lot of go-getters on his team. So imagine, Tim has over 300 personal referrals. Imagine, he's getting 50% matching bonuses for all of these people. Now, granted, I'm sure, damn positive, that all 300 people that he brung in is not making $1,000, whatever, right? But that doesn't matter, because he has people on his team that is making $10,000 a month. He has people on his team that's making $15,000 a month or $5,000 a month. So think about how that money adds up. So when you look at his back office, you're going to see, when it comes to matching bonuses, 5,000, 2,000, 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, 10,000, right? That's how it's possible for him to make that amount of money. And that's exactly what he's doing. And that's just the basic, using the basic numbers, right? Because it actually goes deeper, right? Different levels that he's earning on all these other little bonuses. But I was just giving you the basics of how this is possible and how he is currently making that kind of money as we speak. All right. So as somebody who's in Live Good, who's making money with Live Good, like, this is very motivational, right? And it should be motivational to you. Now I'm going to be all the way real. All right. To me, when you become a Live Good affiliate, yes, it's good to promote it to all kinds of people in the health and wellness, start with friends. You can start with family, but ultimately go after go-getters. Go after people that will take this opportunity serious, because that is where the real money is, right? Now, yes, $25 commissions, that's dope. Because you can just look at Live Good as just a straight affiliate program and just get $25 commissions, and then anything after that is just extra. You know what I'm saying? You're not worried about the matrices and all that shit. That's up to you. But if you are on that, I want to build a big Live Good team, I want $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month, you need to go after go-getters, right? So that means people that's in, maybe that was involved with network marketing opportunities, people involved with affiliate marketing, or just somebody in general that, just have that go-getter spirit. They don't have to be, a network marketer, affiliate marketer. It just might just be somebody who they know, like, that if they saw this opportunity, they would go hard. And if you do that, you can make a lot of money, right? You really can, because of that 50% matching bonus. I tell my sister all the time, we talk, and I'm like, bro, only like 2 go-getters can really change, your finances. All right. Imagine, just imagine if you went out and just got, one go-getter, right? One person just went out there and was just like, oh, this is just shit. This is crazy as hell. I love it. Live good, live good, live good, live good, right? And this person start earning 10 grand a month. You're getting 5,000 a month. Like, that's how it works. Straight up. You know what I'm saying? So you have to, really think about that. So do I recommend, affiliate marketers, network marketers, or people looking for a side hustle to join Live Good? Hell yeah. Like, why wouldn't you, if it's only $10 a month, plus, don't forget, the products are the shit. The products are really, really good. I use them. I use their magnesium product. I use their super reds, I use their super greens, and I use their protein, right? So when it comes to the products, you don't gotta worry about that. The products is cool. You can feel comfortable promoting Live Good and their products, all right? But yeah, like, if you're watching this and you was debating about Live Good, should you join? Yeah, like, it's dope. You know what I'm saying? So if you do want to join Live Good, you can do so. You already know. First link in the description. Get signed up. But the key is, once you get signed up, take action. That's all you got to do. Take action.